Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select which camera you want to use while you are playing with the bus simulator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your home page, tap on the career button, click on the X button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then again. After that, you should tap on the settings icon down below in the right side corner. Tap on the settings icon again, and here in the second row or second column, tap on the camera button. Here now the default option is the outer, so it's set to outer camera, but you can set it to the inner, top and front camera as well. So feel free to change the camera option anytime you feel like to do so by going back to the settings section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.